Okay, December 24th, Christmas Eve, 2011. We're here at the Lions County Park here. Lions Den. This is in Farmington, New Mexico, and we're just cruising around. I want to give you a little idea of what the countryside looks like. We've got John R. Watson, Kathy Burns Benrick Watson,
Can't go.
and me, Tyrone Davis, NBC News. Okay, we're just trying to find a place to land here, and we're gonna move it around in a minute. What's 30 some odd degrees and not a cloud in the sky. It's Farmington, New Mexico is something else. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, here's Chief Chingat Cook. You can see the Indian markers here. That means that there's been Indians around in this area. Hippie Indians. There's Kathy. John, what's up, brother?
Hey.
Hey, all right. I can see my own reflection here, Mick. Okay, this is the landscape. Look at this. Fantastic. A little dusting of snow. This is the panoramic view of Farmington, New Mexico. Looks like we're holes number 17 on the Indian Trail here for yard markers.
Oh, land.
This is the pose that Saskatchewan made as she was leading the men to the North Pole. Just as the Germans were bombing Pearl Harbor, Kathy pointed the right way and led the troops. Hallelujah. Okay, I'm going to sign off for a minute. Beautiful country, beautiful. Okay, we're back on the Lions County Park here. Frisbee golf course. This is so cool. Particularly if you were into Frisbee golf. All these holes. Yeah, there's an Indian spot. Look at that. Kathy. Very cool. Kathy, John, Kathy, run, John, Kathy.
Get up there with your boy.
I'm trying. All right, here we are. This is May 23rd, 2014, and the cement truck just arrived here. So look out, get the boys working. I want to get a little bit closer, see what's coming up here. Okay, this is a test. Who is that good-looking guy out there in the mirror? Could it be me? Oh no, look at that. Oh, be damn. Hi, Ray, what's up? Okay, see ya.